Montero Cruz should be enjoying summer break. Instead, the 17-year-old is facing several charges as an adult, including murder. Cruz is accused of killing 20-year-old Johnny Class of Stratford. Class was shot the afternoon of April 5th while sitting in a friend's car on Hubble Avenue. Cruz's arrest warrant alleges Class's friend drove to Ansonia to sell Cruz some pot, but it turned into an attempted robbery, with Cruz firing into the car and hitting Class, who wasn't part of the deal. Police say during their investigation, that friend picked Cruz as the shooter from a photo lineup. Cruz's attorney, Martin Manila, said he is still waiting to see all the evidence, but is planning a vigorous defense.
We feel like my client is being unfairly prosecuted based on a warrant that's all hearsay. But again, they haven't given me everything.
But the warrant also says police have surveillance footage showing Cruz and two others walking toward the area before the shooting, then running away after. GPS data from his cell phone also allegedly puts Cruz there. Police say a search of his cousin's apartment turned up masks like what was worn by the shooter and two men with him. About 20 of Class's loved ones showed up for the hearing, many of them wearing shirts with his picture on them. They didn't want to comment, but his mom previously spoke with News 12 about her son.
If you were sad in any way, he would sit there and cheer you up. He didn't care if he knew you for 5 seconds or for 5 years.
Cruz had his own family support in the courtroom. They made their presence known when the proceeding ended. Cruz remains in custody on a $1.5 million bond. His attorney says he intends to file a motion to reduce that to try to get Cruz out. In Milford, Marissa Alter, News 12, Connecticut.
And we do know that Cruz was arrested in North Carolina last month by the U.S. Marshals Service Fugitive Task Force. He does face murder and weapons charges.